Hi everybody, welcome back, or hi if you're new. I'm Febrith, and today I'm going to show you my mini haul from Punnydukes and the Lost Cauldron in Matlock. I did a vlog of Matlock and Bakewell earlier this year, and we were coming back home, and it happened to be that Matlock was on the way back. And this time Punnydukes was open, yay! So I got to see the Dalek and so much more. I'm going to show you the front window of the Lost Cauldron because it looks so beautiful decorated for Halloween. And then I'm going to show you some footage taken from inside of Punnydukes, which is just the most amazing magical shop. I loved it. I'm so glad that we were able to see it this time. And then I'll show you the halls. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so here's the front window. This is what you see when you get to the Lost Cauldron, and how super beautiful is that? I just absolutely loved it. There was a whole bunch of different stock there this time than when we went back earlier in the year, so it was well worth going in for that. I didn't take any footage inside the shop this time. The layout and everything is exactly the same as it was before, so let me show you some of the items. Okay, I didn't buy a massive amount this time. I did buy the most gorgeous little cat pin that says just one more page, which is totally me at night when I'm reading. How lovely is he? Oh my goodness, black cat and a pile of books. That's my life. So that's by glitterpunk.co.uk, and I absolutely love it. It was $12.99. Beautiful pin. The next thing was just a card. It's one of the Mina Lima ones, Hogwarts A History. I've got a frame for this, and I've been pondering getting this one for ages and just finally bit the bullet. I then purchased, this is one of their, you can buy a scoop, which you stick into a whole drawer full of stones. You know, these crystals. I do have a nice quartz there, and look at how much you get. So it's $7.99, and I've got a good amount, and they're all so very pretty. I was very lucky with my scoop, I think. So yeah, I've got somewhere to put these. They vary in size, and I guess it's just pot luck, really. You know, you try to guide your scoop to the best one and hope for the best. And then the last thing that I purchased in there was this beautiful florography, and it's an illustrated guide to the Victorian language of flowers by Jessica Rue. Beautiful binding, absolutely lovely book. It was $15.99, which I think is a very reasonable price, right? And the inside, quite lovely, really beautiful illustrations. It does look very Victorian. My idea is that I'm going to cut out some. Don't shout at me. Desecration. But my intention is to cut out some of these pages, the ones that I find most appealing, to add to various of my junk journals. But what a beautiful thing this is. Absolutely loved this. I thought it was such a beautiful thing. So yeah, that I almost bought another Mina Lima book, Fantastic Beasts, but in the end I plumped for this one. I just thought that was the thing. Okay, let me show you Punnydukes. Oh yeah, and also if you know anything about my previous videos, then you'll know I picked up a butterbeer, obviously. But check out the outside of Punnydukes. It's amazing, right? Ford Anglia, amazing. And the front window, beautiful. And this is the inside. It's very magical in all kinds of ways. Alice in Wonderland, kind of Hogwarty, kind of just fairy-like and fabulous. It was so, so pretty in there. Lots and lots of things that I could have purchased, but I was fairly restrained, you know. Just wow, this is my favourite part right here. Are you kidding me? Poor Lease box. Oh my god. Okay, so American viewers are probably going, oh, groan, Doctor Who, because I know you don't get it. A lot of you don't anyway, but maybe it's just a particularly British thing. But yeah, that's the inside, or just, you know, some aspects of the inside. Totally gorgeous. And then when it came to purchases, I had to pick up this fab t-shirt. Not only is it proper seasonal, check it out. It's really lovely. Obviously far too long for me again, as all things are these days. I have to, you know, chop them off at least 4 inches, but it is a lovely thing. And it's a Gildan t-shirt, which is a heavy cotton. It's a good, you know, good quality one. And yeah, I was really pleased with that. They came in all kinds of sizes. This one was a medium, and I think it was a about, I think it was 20 quid. I'm not entirely honestly sure now, but it was around about that. And then a beautiful set of wax melts. I was looking for some in the Lost Cauldron, but they only had 3 types, one of which I already had, the herbology one. The other two, I wasn't that keen on the scent. I like to get mine from the Lonely Broomstick, which is the sister shop to the Lost Cauldron, but I did find these Autumn Twilights. They are sweet maple leaf and musk scented. They are amazing. So I haven't actually opened them. It was £6 to see if they're all fancy like on the inside. Nope, quite plain. But oh god, trust me when I tell you, they smell delicious. Not exactly edible, but really beautiful. And then finally, this mandrake pin, I couldn't even walk past it. It was the first thing my eyes alighted on when I got in there, and I just thought, oh god, I'm in trouble. But luckily, not too much trouble. So yeah, a beautiful mandrake pin to go on my board. And that's it. That's my haul from the Lost Cauldron and from Punnydukes. Thanks to both shop owners. I'm not even joking. The shopkeepers in both shops were so charming and lovely. And so that's it. Okay, take care. Stay safe, everybody.